Hello coffee grinders and welcome. Today I'm going to do a quick demonstration and test of this 1930s. I think this model was made 1935 to 1940. This is a Zassenhaus record. I believe it's a model 334. I'm not 100% sure. The model numbers from 330 onwards were the same grinder made in different local hardwoods. I've heard it said that the 331 was ash. I believe that says 334. It could say 331. In any case, I think this wood is oak. So I'm tentatively going to suggest that it's a 334 and that the 334 was made in oak. What else is there to say about it? It's a swinging hopper lid like this, just one of them opens. Otherwise, it's very much on the model of all the grinders we see. So today the test is going to be grinding 7 grams of coffee as usual. We're going to put the grinder on its finest setting, which means burrs just touching but not really binding. Sometimes that's a little bit tricky because you've got to get your fingers inside and move the lever around. Luckily there's plenty of space inside this one. There we go, I think that'll do it. And we are testing for speed of the grinder and fineness of the grind. So, away we go. Okay, quite a fast grinder there. That was 20 turns of the handle. So let's have a look at what the grind looks like. But it's a pretty fine grind. I would say it's fine to very fine, not powdery. I would say that's good enough for most espresso machines. I wouldn't like to guarantee it. But anyway, it's a good, fast grinder. And grinds very well. So, there we have it. Late 1930s, Zassenhaus 334 record. Thanks for watching. Feel free to look at the links at the end of the video and in the description. And happy grinding.